In this video, we are going to talk about a skill that is most probably the highest ROI skill that you can learn. अब ये प्रोबेबिलिटी नहीं है कि ये सबसे ज़्यादा हाईएस्ट ROI स्किल है जो तुम सीख सकते हो. ये गारंटेड चीज़ है कि जो तुम्हें सीखनी चाहिए. लाइक दिस इज़ द बेस्ट स्किल दैट यू कैन मास्टर. इट्स नॉट सम फैंसी स्किल लाइक कॉपी राइटिंग और ड्रॉप शिपिंग और SMMA और ये इस तरह की कोई भी स्किल नहीं है. इट्स एक्चुअली लाइफ स्किल. ऐसी स्किल जो तुम्हारी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में तुम्हारे काम आने वाली है. ये उस तरह की स्किल है जो तुम्हारे हर टाइम काम आने वाली है. आइदर इट्स जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, ओवरऑल अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ इन योर लाइफ, आइदर इट्स मेकिंग मनी, आइदर इट्स ओवरऑल लाइफ. इट वुड इम्पैक्ट योर ओवरऑल लाइफ. ये इतनी कीमती स्किल है. इफ़ यू कुड मास्टर दिस वन स्किल, you would somehow dominate in all other fields. This is the one skill that I'm mastering right now, that I'm focusing on right now, that you should focus on to improve your life, to become the best version of yourself. And we talk about the things to become the best version of yourself, of ourselves. So that is why I'm telling you this skill. This is a skill that all the successful people have. अब चाहे तुम बात कर रहे हो किसी बिलियनियर की, मिलियनियर की, चाहे वो जेफ बेजोस है, एंड्रयू टेट है, कोई इन्फ्लुएंसर है, चाहे कोई whoever he is. If you are still watching, you are watching because of my communication skills. I know मेरी communication skills इतनी अच्छी नहीं है and I just get stuck on words. मेरी vocabulary इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. The way I speak isn't that good. But I'm just trying to practice it more and more so that I can become more confident, so that I can become more persuasive. ताकि मैं ज़्यादा confident हो सकूँ. To overall improve this skill. And this skill, I think you have already guessed it. This is communication skills. Just think of any successful person in your mind, in any field. Like either it's politicians, like let's say politicians. Either it's some YouTubers, content creators, or some other people. Just see, they would be having this one skill, that's communication skills. Andrew Tate is the most influential people in this world. At least that's what he said. Like, he is the most popular guy. Most people would know him just because of his communication skills. He keep coming up on your feed just because of his communication skills. उसकी communication skills इतनी अच्छी हैं कि वो तुम्हें हुक करके रख सकता है for a really long time. Luke Belmar, he has really good communication skills. जिस भी सक्सेसफुल बंदे को तुम देख सकते हो, he have communication skills. जब तुम communication skills को मास्टर करोगे, you would have this skill, have this ability, have this superpower of expressing your thoughts in a way that people would listen to you. You might just go and speak. कोई तुम्हारी बात नहीं सुनेगा. But if you have good communication skills, people would listen to you. People would approach you and you would approach other people easily and you would have better friends. You will have a better network. So you'll make more money. That is why I'm saying communication skill is the best skill that you can master. I'm mastering it right now. You should master it. Everybody should master it. इसके बेतहाशा फ़ायदे हैं. For example, if you are in a class, there are two students. One is like a super shy kid, which I was when I was in school. And there's a guy who's really good in communication skills. He can talk to anyone he wants. He'll just step onto stage and talk in front of like 50 people without even stuttering or anything. I used to be that guy who was the most shyest kid in the school. I was like the shyest kid in the school. I remember there was a time when my teacher called me onto the stage, and just while I was going onto the stage, I was just so much worried. And the thing I was just I would say after stepping up onto the stage, I just forgot. I started and I just forgot. I just started stuttering, and I even stutter right now. And that's why I'm making these videos, just to improve my communication skills and help other people to do the same. आई थिंक इतनी हाइप काफ़ी होगी इस चीज़ के लिए टू एम्फसाइज कि ये कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट स्किल है. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द सेकंड पार्ट विच इज़ एक्चुअली हाउ यू कैन इम्प्रूव योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. अब कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स ऐसी स्किल है जिसके साथ कोई पैदा नहीं होता. इफ़ देयर इज़ अ गाय हु इज़ इन योर क्लास, हु इज़ योर फ्रेंड और एनीबडी हु इज़ अ गुड कम्युनिकेटर, तो वो इस स्किल के साथ पैदा नहीं हुआ एंड उसने वो स्किल डेवलप किया है. दे हैव डेवलप्ड earlier than you, but they have developed by practice. I have one of my friends who's just really confident. He has practiced enough. He has practiced way before I even knew what communication skills was. And here he's like the best communicator I know. He can go and talk to anyone he wants. His communication skills are like the best test. So first of all, if you want to get better at communication, you need to practice it. Like, this isn't the skill that you will learn after watching some YouTube videos like you are watching right now. Like, nobody would be watching this video. If you are someone who's watching this video, you are probably on the right path. And watching these videos, to be honest, is not going to make a better communicator, but it will in some way. But what will actually make you a better communicator is actually practicing. So what I would suggest you is कि आप बाहर जाओ, just go and talk to a few people. Start with like किसी भी बंदे से start कर सकते हो तुम, who you feel a little bit comfortable with. Talk to him, then go make yourself a little bit more uncomfortable और फिर किसी और से जाके बात करो. And then slowly and steadily you will develop that confidence that you always wanted to have. There is another skill I would suggest you is whenever you are speaking, take some pauses. जैसे अगर अब मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो I'll just take a little bit more of pauses to think what I'm going to say, and it overall just make your speech more dominant and more assertive and more persuasive. It just make you a better communicator. People respect you more when you take more pauses. And when I take pauses, I'm just thinking what I'm going to say next, because sometimes I don't have words in my mind that what I'm going to say ahead, and that's when I just pause, that make an impact. I'm talking to you as if you are my friend. और अगर तुम communication skills master करना चाहते हो, take pauses, go and talk to at least one guy every single day. Just ये कोई भी हो सकता है. Just go step out of your home और जाके किसी से भी बात करो, and you'll develop that communication skills. It's that simple. ये कोई rocket science नहीं है. It's simple but not easy, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर लोग इससे जाके practice नहीं करेंगे. I know. Another thing that have affected my communication skills, I know for a really long time I was with the people who were not confident at all. और उस टाइम तक मैं भी confident नहीं था. Few days ago I was in a park with my friends, and both of those friends are really confident. They were like approaching people, like random guys walking into the park, and they would just approach and talk about something, like literally just a random thing, and it made me more confident. Just sit with people. There was a quote that you might have heard 100 times before, that you are average of 5 people you are surrounded with, and it's damn truth. The people you are surrounded with actually affects you. So be around people who are really confident, who are actually good. That's what will make you more confident and a better communicator. And another thing in confidence I would suggest you is wear clothes that make you feel more confident. क्योंकि याद करो कि जब तुमने आखिरी बार वो कपड़े पहने थे जिनमें तुम ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट फील कर रहे थे, यू वॉज मोर कॉन्फिडेंट. तुम वो इनसिक्योरिटी तुम्हारे अंदर से ख़त्म हो जाती है कि व्हाट अदर पीपल वुड स्पीक, व्हाट अदर पीपल वुड से, और तुम ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट होते हो. तो व्हाट आई वुड सजेस्ट यू इज़ कि जब भी आप कहीं बाहर जाते हो or wherever you are going, just wear some clothes that you actually like, when you actually wear those clothes you are feeling more confident, and that will actually literally make you more confident. और the last tip, जो सबसे special tip है, that will actually help you improve your confidence, is making these videos. Just pick up your camera and record yourself like this. Blah 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 blah. I'm here and my name is Asnan. Record yourself for 5 minutes. For the first time when you would record yourself, तुम just stutter करना शुरू कर दोगे. Like I am doing right now. मैं literally over 100-200 वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड कर चुका हूँ at this point. और मैं अभी भी कैमरा के सामने स्टटर करता हूँ because I was the guy who was not even able to speak in front of 2 people. And that's exactly what I want you to do. Just speak in front of the camera. यहाँ पे कोई तुम्हें जज करने वाला नहीं है, कोई तुम्हें जज नहीं करेगा. All you have to do is just record some videos. Even if you don't want to post them, just record them. Just speak in front of the camera for 5 minutes daily, at least 5 minutes. I'm having a goal to speak in front of the camera for like 10, 20, 50 minutes. Wow, 10 to 20 minutes actually. And from that 10 minutes you can say is like I'm speaking Urdu and 10 minutes is I'm speaking English. क्योंकि उर्दू की communication skills are actually important to deal with the people around me, and as I'm a freelancer I have to speak with other people in the world, तो मेरी इंग्लिश भी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. That is why I'm practicing communication skills a lot nowadays. Or it's been like a year. I think it's been a year, or it's more than a year since I'm practicing communication skills consistently. And I've developed kind of good communication skills, to be honest. I've became more confident on my communication skills and everything. This was a raw talk between you and me. There was no fancy editing. There was nothing there. I'm just sitting in a randomly in a room, and I'm just talking to you. It's very hot inside, but I have a little passion of making these videos to improve my communication skills, to help other people do the same. और यही reason है कि मैं अभी गर्मी में बैठ के ये videos बना रहा हूँ. And I hope that you have learned something new in this video. और अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है, let me know in the comments. And if you want to suggest me something, then just go ahead and comment down. I'll just reply you. I'll reply to every single comment that I would get. I know I won't get so many comments because I am not a good communicator. I'm not making that good videos so that people would watch, and that's okay. So that's it. Bye bye. I hope you have learned something new in this video.